let's go over what the Align tool is and how to use it on your Instagram Reels. Now, there's a feature called Align, and if you don't necessarily know, if you haven't used it before, it might be a bit foreign on what exactly it does. I'm going to show you what it does, how to use it, all of those things. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's open up Instagram here, and I'm going to swipe to the right to bring up the reel. You can see at the very bottom here, you can see reel. Make sure you're on that reel. Now, what I will do is I will record a quick video of this remote just for a few seconds. And then you can see at the bottom left, now there are these two little squares, and this is Align. Now, keep in mind, Reels are a bit different than posts or stories because you can sequentially record videos and then just have them play, basically back to back to back. So unlike stories where you have to record all in one go, Reels you can record in bits and pieces. So what they do to help you make sure that you've lined up everything from one video to another one is they give you that Align tool. So let's tap on it. And basically you can see it has a shadow of the previous video. So if you want the previous video to align with your new one, you need to line up that remote just perfectly, kind of like that. And then you can start recording again. And let's hit next. Let's look how that kind of goes through it. You can see that it basically keeps that remote in the exact same place. It gives you a placeholder so that you can make sure that you see whatever content is in that video and place it in the frame exactly the same from one video to another video. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.